This video will offer general troubleshooting advice if your handheld device is having issues connecting to a wireless network. At any time, you can check the status of your wireless connection. Begin at the home screen and tap Wi-Fi. If your device is connected to the wireless network, you should see the network name on the left and the signal strength indicator on the right. For additional status information, tap the Fusion button in the lower right corner. Scroll down and tap Wireless Status. Select IPv4 status. Here you should see various values, which are network settings and addresses. These are assigned by the network and indicate that the wireless profile has been set up correctly. If no values are assigned, you will need to begin troubleshooting the wireless settings on the device. Tap OK twice to return to the home screen. To begin, we will check that the password is correct. Make sure you know the correct password prior to beginning this step. To reset the password, we will need to edit the wireless profile. To edit the wireless profile, begin at the home screen and tap Wi-Fi. Tap the Fusion button in the lower right corner. Tap Manage Profiles to view the list of saved wireless profiles. Tap and hold on the name of the wireless profile. Select Edit from the pop-up menu. Here we see the same screen that is used to initially set up a wireless profile. Tap Next until you reach step 4. Uncheck for added security mask characters entered. Tap Next. Type in the correct password for the wireless network. Tap Next until you reach step 8. Here, tap Save. You will be taken back to the list of saved wireless profiles. Tap OK to exit to the home screen. Our next step for troubleshooting wireless issues is to check the regulatory setting in the Options menu. To do this, begin at the home screen and tap Wi-Fi. Tap the Fusion button in the lower right corner. Tap Options. Tap the drop-down list of options and select Regulatory. Make sure that Enable 802.11d is not checked. Tap the Save button. Tap OK to close the Options menu. If you are still not able to connect to the wireless network, you may need to check the security and encryption settings of the wireless profile. When creating a wireless profile, an attempt is made by the system to query the wireless network for the correct settings. If, at any point, you are unsure of which security or encryption settings to use, contact your IT department or Timbersoft for assistance. In order to check for the correct wireless settings, we will again need to edit the wireless profile. Begin at the home screen and tap Wi-Fi. Tap the Fusion button in the lower right corner. Tap Manage Profiles to view the list of saved profiles. Tap and hold on the name of the wireless profile. Tap Edit from the pop-up menu. Again, we see the same screen used to initially set up the wireless profile. Tap Next until you reach step 3. Here, the security mode setting may be changed by tapping the security mode drop-down list, which will display a few options. Legacy, pre-WPA, will allow you to set up a profile for an open wireless network. WPA Personal and WPA Enterprise will most likely be used by older wireless network systems or for the purpose of supporting legacy devices. WPA2 Personal and WPA2 Enterprise are used by newer wireless networks and devices. Once you have selected the correct security mode option, tap Next. Here we can change the encryption settings for the wireless profile. By tapping the encryption type drop-down, you can see 2 encryption types, TKIP and AES. Choose the correct encryption type for your network. When using AES, you may also need to check Allow WPA2 Mixed Mode. Once you have selected the correct encryption settings, uncheck for Added Security Mask Characters Entered, since you will have to re-enter your password to save changes to the wireless profile. Tap Next. Type in the correct password for the wireless network. Tap Next until you reach Step 8. Here, tap Save. You will be taken back to the list of saved wireless profiles. Tap OK to exit to the home screen. If your handheld device is still having issues connecting to the wireless network, please contact Timbersoft for assistance.